When you take a sip of milk, something remarkable happens inside your body. Before the liquid even reaches your stomach, your brain identifies its taste and prepares your digestive system, signaling the stomach to release enzymes and acids. As the milk enters, it gently coats the stomach walls, beginning its breakdown into smaller, absorbable particles. Slowly, this creamy mixture moves into the intestines, where the real transformation begins. Here, powerful microscopic structures extract calcium, protein, vitamins, and healthy fats. Under a microscope, these nutrients look like glowing particles, slipping through intestinal walls and entering your bloodstream like tiny sparks of energy. Within moments, they travel to every organ that needs them. Your bones receive a boost of calcium, strengthening their structure. Muscles absorb proteins that repair tiny tears and support growth. The brain benefits from essential amino acids, helping improve focus, mood, and neural activity. Deep in the gut, beneficial bacteria feed on the nutrients from milk, improving digestion and supporting immune health. Slowly, the entire body begins to glow with renewed